let's learn about exploring 0 on the number line. Explain why 0 is considered its own opposite. Use the concept of the number line in your explanation. So let's talk about this. Let's draw the number line. We'll put 0 right in the middle here. I'm going to talk to the values to the right and left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. Let's talk about 0 here on the number line. Why is it considered its own opposite? Well, when we find the opposite, we need to find the number's distance from 0. And so if we're starting right here at 0, the distance from 0 is 0. It's right there. And there's no positive or negative that we can toss to it. All the numbers to the right here are positive, and all the numbers to the left are negative. And so 0 is neither positive nor negative. And so 0 is its own opposite here in this case. It's right in the middle there, and it's its own distance from 0. So again, 0 is its own opposite. I hope you learned something here about exploring 0 on the number line. And as always, thanks for watching.